16 pictures of nature that's made us say, oh my god. You have looked at some amazing plants around you, but have you ever seen plants like this? These amazing plants look like tiny hands. Wonderful. Right? Spider-Man is probably your favorite superhero. But have you ever seen a spider web that looks like the mask of a Spider-Man? This spider web that looks like a Spider-Man mask. Amazing nature. Frogs are amphibians that are known for their jumping abilities, croaking sounds, bulging eyes, and slimy skin. They generally have 4 legs, but look at this amazing frog which have 5 legs. Amazing creation of God. Now we are going to show you the wonder of a tree. The statue being swallowed by a tree. Statue has a creepy meaningful smile. Wonderful. At first glance, you may think that this is the hands of a dead man, but it's not. Actually, it's a fungus. Xylaria polymorpha, commonly known as dead man's fingers, is a saprobic fungus. Scary. This picture is a scary one. This is a hammerhead bat and is by far the creepiest animal I've seen. These fire ants turn themselves into a floating island to survive a flood. Look at this heart-shaped sweet potato, that creepily shows the veins also. Have you ever felt sorry for snakes? Now, look at this snake that is covered in ticks. You probably felt sorry for this snake. These new fish species can survive in volcanoes and they're the stuff of nightmares. Imagine this, you're a penguin, and this is the last thing you see before you die. Creep. A jungle perch with a surprise. But this frog refuses to be food. How did this frog get into this spider web? How's this possible? Wrap around spider, named for its ability to flatten and wrap its body around tree limbs. Spider bro guarding the house owner against malaria outside the window. This snapdragon seed pods look like skulls. Amazing nature. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel and click one of these videos. I hope you're gonna love it. Thank you.